level Leetcode number 340. Question way or say my string be s, right? And my integer k. And I'm saying return the length of the longest substring of s that contains the at most k distinct characters. And you have a string near find it. It's a substring a woman a containing at most even ways in maybe 2 distinct characters. And it is a characters in the bro 2 pair and count, right? In the example, my s no equal to like E, C, E, B, A, right? And I'm CK2. Into distinct characters a woman no a say 2 pair, right? In the say we are left for I say right. Left and the right in never start to say. Into we are say distinct characters near 2 pair, right? In the event say we are E1. No, you about number C so you 1, right? E na but said distinct characters near 2. Into way say right in the moving on. Into about number way no, right? About be your friend saying E into yedi makobe count ni na right na be do as ye ba never be who B, right? B so ye 1 but ye who say yes ana distinct characters na say ye 2 but we say na broso, right? But ye koni na so near recording maximum distinct characters the length of the maximum into has ye ba be do as near record right minus left plus 1 and never mind length no, right? Then never mind 3, right? In the yes and as you see and be one a freeway so, right? Because while a sign woman in I see you one fish, you be one TV, you from at some point, naka anyway. Into anyway 2 pair. A service here and see is to become 1, right? Where you 1, right? Into answer way a bit my we say no I 3 but you pay 2 pair into we say any valid but the be valid nankasa ebe ECE, right? Into all recording in no ukoni na now keep a record, right? Ukoni now keep a record into no basically sa approach way any the best solve our question way algorithm way 2-pointer approach, right? Left in the best genasi na right in the genasi. Anytime you be a free be na left no so about the back, we be a free man left na about the back, right? Into yanko share the way I best solve no, right? Into even say about say na you be creative be say be a cash and I say memo and dictionary you best solve what the end, right? Dictionary I be keep your records inside. Left pointer no ever starting from 0. Okay. Results now you it's be 0. Into for be a right pointer and a character in enumerate no, and then my left index no any array no, right? In S, right? You better record it the value, right? The count. So count for character we are be equal to cache dot get. You should get now, which means ever check here say a more, right? See any more than 0 na plus 1, right? Into while the length of cache a greater than k, right? So length of cache, a greater than k, which means you need distinct because dictionary, right? We say in a dictionary, key be unique, right? Key be unique. Into the and found you pay unique characters. The unique characters, right? In here 2 pair. Into nyabru 2 say you back from right. Into while a k ne I was here back from right. Into ye cash you see first left in the film cash dot s at the left index first element no minus 1 right near here frame. Now say if right cash is a value be 0 at s at left be 0 be equal to 0 right be is a value cash dot pop s at left. Okay, here we are left and then we move up on the name 1 right. After there I record the results be equal to the maximum of result value and I said the length right minus left plus 1 right. If you are near returning results. Okay, into yeah story count no again count we a 2 in ya 2 penny I recorded left minus right in ya 2 penny I recorded left minus right into basically and this is how I will solve our question. Okay, this is how I will solve our question. All right, into thank you for watching me. That's it. I got say all right. I think say we we O of n. O of n solution. Okay. All right. Bye bye.